Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here again. It's going to be crazy avalanche of the videos. So, well, nothing really unusual for me, I guess, because I like to record as much as possible because I have a time, so I can do this. Basically, why I'm telling this right now is because idea is right now to do, I don't know exactly what pattern is going to be, but it's going to be much more videos. So, well, just be aware of that. Maybe like 4 videos per day right now. Just simply because my guru from social media, Mr. Gary V, just told me like I just supposed to do the 4 times more than I'm fucking doing right now, and then we are going to be good. I don't know how the fuck I managed to do that workload, but first thing, I think I just need to stop talking and just doing the content. So, without further ado, we're just going to jump to the lesson. It's a lesson number 4. It's going to be 15 minutes, and I will try on every video right now to not really talk much because I know myself. The videos can be like fucking half an hour and we don't want that. We just want to focus on the stuff. So yeah, publishing first news post is going to be a 15 minutes video. Let's just jump to it.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be crafting our very first piece of content on our website. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this. We are going to be using technology and state-of-the-art technology here at Wealthy Affiliate to make that happen. And we are going to be choosing an idea from our hub to help us create this content. So without further ado, I'm going to get right into things. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down within my business hub. Again, click the hubs tab to get to your hub. And I am going to scroll all the way down to the content ideas. Now, the intent of creating content is going to be helping your audience. It's going to be engaging your audience. And we are going to be publishing this on our website. Naturally, this can lead to search engine traffic. As we create content on our website, it can get ranked into search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. But also this content allows us to join affiliate programs and get approved by affiliate programs so we can start making money from our site. So it's key that you have a solid base of content on your website. Also, as you start to create content, you're going to be able to drive traffic from all different sources, whether it's YouTube, whether it's social media, whether it's user-generated content platforms like Reddit or Quora. You're going to be able to drive that traffic to your website, in which you're going to be able to monetize that traffic. So it's critical that you have helpful, useful, relevant content on your website, and you are going to be able to get ideas directly from the content ideas area. You can see we have access to 5 different ideas as a starter member. We have 100 as a Premium Plus member. And of course, we have the niche research, which is also going to provide you with highly relevant, highly specific content ideas that you're going to be able to utilize on your website to provide your audience with value, to get indexed and ranked into search engines, and also to have tentacles out there that allow you to drive traffic to your website from many different sources. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose one of these ideas. I'm just going to choose the top one for simplicity's sake. And I'm going to click the plus icon. That will add it down to my writing tasks. My writing tasks are basically for organization. As I start to build content, I'm going to have a list of writing tasks or content that I want to create and publish on my website. So if I click on that, is going to add it to my writing tasks area. You might also notice this little icon. It looks like a J with color around it. That is Jaxi. That is the research platform that you have access to here at Wealthy Affiliate. If you click on that, it's going to give you the primary keywords this post can rank for in search engines. So not only are we targeting this higher level keyword, All of these other keywords are going to be ones that we naturally target if we create content around this keyword. So you can see that one piece of content on your website can lead to a lot of traffic. So this does the research for you. You can access the full keyword data in Jaxi as a Premium Plus level member. I'm not going to get into that right now. We don't need to worry about that just yet. And then once I have this added to my writing task, you can add them all if you want, like that, and you can see it adds them all to my writing tasks. From there, I am going to be able to write the article. You're going to notice write article, write article, write article. If I click any of those, that is going to initiate the process. So one thing I just wanted to point out is that as a Premium Plus level member, you can bulk write as well. That will make more sense after we write our content, but you can efficiently write 5 articles at once using our technology, and I will be getting to that. So again, we'll do top drills for improving ball handling skills, something that is very important within the basketball world and when you're learning basketball. So let's write an article around that. Okay, so this is going to take you to our article designer. This is where we are going to design the outline of our article, and we're going to be using the technology here at Wealthy Affiliate to do that. At the top here, you're going to see type of content, blog post. There's also about me, and then there's also bulk writing. So if you're creating your about me page, which we'll be doing as we move forward, that is what will be selected. We are creating a blog post or just a piece of content article on our website. Choose that. And then the article topic, you can see here, you can edit that if you want, but that is the exact article topic from the content ideas. I'm just going to leave that the same. Add content details. You can incorporate different things here, including, you can incorporate any data or information that you want to make sure is included in the article. You can, also specify things like I want a list within the article. There's many different things. You don't have to worry. I recommend you leave that empty for now because we're going to be getting into more sophisticated creation as we move forward through the training. So leave that empty for now. And then in the content length, 1,000 words to 1,400 words is a good length. So I'm going to select that. And then we are going to click create content outline. And this is just going to take a second. It's using all of our technology here to construct an ideal outline with 4 sections like we requested. You can see how quickly that happened.
This is actually super fucking amazing.
Skills, drill 1, drill 2, drill 3. This is formulated it in a way that is going to create really high quality content. You can edit this if you want using the pencil icon. So you can edit any of these sections. It's probably going to be really good, and I think you're going to be impressed by the layout of it. You can also delete and move them around, but again, I'm just going to leave things as is. This is creating high quality content outlines, and this is using our AI technology here at Wealthy Affiliate. The next step is going to be creating the actual content. So I'm going to click next author settings, and then you can either write the content yourself, which is going to pass that outline into an editor and you can type it out, or you can do things the new and more efficient way is creating the content with one of our AI authors. I am going to choose that because instead of me taking hours to create that content, it's going to be able to do it in minutes. So I'm going to click on that.
Unless you copyright something.
It uses 1,000 AI word credits. You have a small balance of credits that you can utilize as a starter member to test out the platforms and the tools here at Wealthy Affiliate. So you're going to have enough to create at least your very first article here. And then I'm going to pick my AI author, and you can see I have 2 AI authors to choose from: a professional copywriter that is more of a formal type of content, or a conversational blogger, which is more of a laid back content creator, or blogger style. I write more like a conversational blogger, depending on the type of content you want to create. If I was creating legal based content, I might want to use a professional copywriter. But if I'm writing in the basketball industry, I probably want to choose a conversational blogger, which I'm going to choose. And then the next step is creating the article. So I'm going to simply create article when I am ready. And magic is happening right now. The article is being created, is constructing it in a way that it has good flow based on my outline. Our content creator understands everything about search engine marketing and optimization. So your article is going to be optimized for that as well. And it's going to be created in a matter of minutes. And the article is going to typically be within the range suggested, so between 1,000 words, give or take, to 1,400 words, depending on the nature of the content and the subject matter. You can see this is 770, so it's a little bit lower in this case, which is completely fine. Again, it's within that sort of standard deviation, and that level of content is completely fine as well. So what I recommend you do now is we are going to quickly go through our content. We are going to polish it. We are going to edit it in any way that we like to make it our own. Because remember, we are living in an artificial intelligence or AI assisted world, not created. And that's the approach we take here. We utilize it to do the heavy lifting for us, but then we are going to make any edits that we want to our content to make it our own. So I'm going to spend a few minutes, go over this content, make some edits, and then we are going to publish that to our website. So that's what we're going to do when I come back. Okay, welcome back. I've made a few edits here. You can see I've formatted things a little bit. I have changed some of the content. You can see I've added some markup, including bold content, some bold underline, a few little lists in there. You have this toolbar here at the top that you can utilize. It's very similar to any editor that you use to align things, to add bold, italics, or underline things, to add links, heading tags, all sorts of things that you can do up there. Very standard stuff. I also updated the title slightly because I'm providing 3 drills. So I said top 3 drills. You don't have to overthink this at this stage. You're going to get a lot more knowledge as we move forward. So you can leave the article pretty close to how it was if you want, or exactly how it was. I just made some edits to the content to make it my own and to format it in a way that I liked it. So now that I'm happy with this article, what I'm going to be doing is publishing it directly to my website. So I'm going to scroll down, click publish. You can save as a draft just to make sure that it's saved. You can see the revisions are here if you ever need to revert back to an older version. And then I'm going to click publish.
And there's going to be a page
now,
and the post.
I have one website. You're only going to have one website as a starter member, but as you move forward, you're likely going to have several different websites and businesses that you're running. So you may have multiple websites at some point. I'm going to click that. I'm going to select that website. You do the same. And then we're going to publish it as a post. You don't need to worry too much about that. But typically moving forward with niche relevant content, we're going to be publishing as a post. We don't have any other users other than an admin user.
I was just gonna say how I'm doing, like everything what you posting ideally is good way to post one as a post, and again just copy paste as a page with different name on the top, on the name, on title. And the reason behind this is you can actually put pages to the menu on the website. So like you have some menus, and then you can actually put those pages into those menus. Unless you don't want to do any menu, then obviously you can just do the post and that's it. But I just figure I'm just doing both, and then when you're going to my website, you can actually see the summary of AI rundown. So I'm doing that in English and in Spanish. So then if somebody will go to the menu, and you will see every post I've done it. So it's just a good way to keep everything together, basically. Because if I will be just doing the posts, basically you're not gonna see what's happened like a week ago. But with the pages, I can actually allocate the pages to the menu bars on the website. So it's clever to maintain sort of everything in one place.
At this point, we are going to be creating our own users down the road as we move forward through the core training. So leave that the same, and permalink leave the same, and then we can publish this content to our website. So I'm going to click publish, and you can see, awesome, your post has been published. This is already on our website. It is live. If I want to view it, I can click view post.
And then you're just pressing X. You're just opening new draft. You're not doing AI. If you copy pasting, you're just literally pressing Control File, pasting all the crap, changing the title. Again, pressing just do the page, and then in my case, I'm doing Spanish, so then I just going to the letterbox. I just basically changing within the browser just to Spanish, and then just copy paste, and it's just like easy peasy. At some point, I will be writing my own content as well, because the idea is to just grow within, like more knowledge I will have, more stuff I will upload. But right now I just focus on those lessons and on basics lessons from the cursive. As soon as I'm gonna finish the cursive, hopefully within a month, because there's lots of stuff, and you will see it's lots of stuff. It's not just the 4 courses, lots of stuff. So then I just wanna obviously enroll to something else.
And this,
if I'm able to. It will be tricky though, if you know what I mean.
This is going to take me directly to my website, where you can see this article is now published on my website. And
I'm just gonna mention something like have passion and interest with lots of things. So at some point, because I'm not going to work within a couple of months. I don't give a fuck. I will just eating dust, whatever, doesn't matter. Like I have so much drive to do stuff. So let's say if I won't have a money to enroll for something, which I think I won't have any money to enroll something, I would just try to figure it out, some free tools to access and just go with it. Maybe NVIDIA courses for programming, and then I will just do the playlist about this or whatever. We just see what's going on. But definitely within the genre of game designing, or whatever, coding, or which I have no idea about this, but that I have a good opportunity to learn right now because I have free time.
It's, you know, it looks pretty good. Though my website is still a blank template, we're going to be incorporating things like a logo. We're going to be integrating affiliate links. We are going to be adding, banners and beautifying our overall site, beautifying our content, integrating imagery. So there's a lot of different things that we are going to be doing. We're going to be adding navigation to our website. So this is just the start. This is the first piece of content that you've created and added to your website. And moving forward, we're going to be adding affiliate links. In this case, maybe there are things related to dribbling, basketballs, cones, basketball.
Also, good idea when you're gonna open the account, even free account, and you can have access to free niches, free topics. That's how I feel it, at least. I haven't done this yet, but I will do. When you're choosing your niche, and my niche right now is AI. I'm super excited about this. That's why I want to do it. But 2 years ago, I chose the niche Diablo. Was it Diablo 4? Yeah, it was a Diablo 4. I'm just thinking because I was playing Diablo 2 Resurrected as well. But what I'm trying to say, when I chose Diablo 4, and obviously it was lots of stuff related to Diablo 4, but also was lots of stuff related to just gaming in general. And gaming right now is not just a hardware, software. It's actually lots of energy drinks and some energy bars and shit like that. And it's lots of stuff, the VPNs and you name it, like fuckloads of stuff. And my point is, when I chose right now AI, actually I don't have that stuff, which I think genuinely will be a good fit within the stuff what I'm doing, because I will be obviously educating myself about the AI, and I will like to educate people from the scratch, and obviously we're gonna move further with the stuff. And so my point is, at some point, I will be using some drink. You never know. Although I like to drink water, so I'm not really into some shitty, you know, fancy, colorful crap. Definitely, I'm not gonna promote anything which is not unhealthy. I rather promote I don't know, water filter instead of some shitty crap. But long story short is it's good to just choose the website, even if you're not gonna do this, just for argument's sake, just gaming, the site about the gaming, and then that will unlock in your hub, within the hub, lots of affiliate links and websites. So you can just broaden your affiliate links, basically. You can just grab 5 from the niche of the gaming, 5 from the niche of the AI, and 5, I don't know, you can just type, because at the end of the day, you can just deselect, you can remove that website, everything is for free, and just choose, let's say, my passion is also like a diet. I'm actually nutritionist, by the way, so I can just put like keto diet or carnivore, like my niche is gonna be carnivore, and then I'm gonna have the supplementation food and yada and such things like that. So at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say, I will definitely incorporate lots of stuff which I wish to have on the website, but on the beginning, obviously, you're just trying to put the stuff what you're using or what you came across. It just handy for you because you're using that, and at the end of the day, it's much better to promote something like I have that weed video, which is giving you 50% off. So it's not really, it's a referral. Yes, it is a referral. It's just for 3 months, 50% off. But this is like I didn't register anywhere. I just registered on the website. So just if you're not using the vid editor, you can support me and use the link, but that's not what I'm trying to say. If you're not using, you can just go register, and then you will have that link as well. So like everybody have that link straight away. Then with the affiliates program, it's not always that easy. I'm not saying it's hard, but sometimes like my channel, obviously I don't have much support here, so they will obviously look into that. Like, okay, there's some random guy with 20 subscribers, so fuck him, you know. that's what it is, that's life. So but my attitude is I fuck them twice more, and I don't give a fuck about some shitty affiliates anyway, so because eventually I will get where I wanna go. Okie dokie, just carry on. It's 2 minutes left.
Dribbling programs that I'm going to be able to tie in and promote on this article and generate revenue as a result when I start getting traffic to my website. So I'm just going to pop back into Wealthy Affiliate here. You can see there's some premium level options, like, you know, you can get comments from the community that are added to your website as a premium level member. You know, since we're complete this, I'm going to pop back into my hub, and I'm just going to show you. So I click the hubs button and back to the hub training. And now if I scroll down to the content ideas area, under the writing tasks, you're going to see that top drills for improving ball handling skills. The article I just created is going to show a green little dot, and it is now published on my website. I can view my article. But moving forward, we're going to be creating more content in that fashion. We are going to be building out your website, building it out with the idea that we're going to be getting traffic and then generating revenue once we have traffic. So that is the process of creating content. You can see how efficient it is. An article that would have conventionally taken me hours or longer, and I'm a fast typer, took me minutes to create, and then a few more minutes to edit and get ready for my website. So now that we're done this lesson, we can check it off. And we are going to be going to the next step, which is going to involve choosing the brand for a business. A very important step and an exciting step. So when you're done and ready to go, let's jump into this next step. If you have any questions, jump over in the comments. If you're on mobile, jump down below, and I will see you in the next lesson. Cheers.
So thank you very much, Kyle. Thank you very much, everybody who tuned up to the fantastic Switch and immerse into new journey of learning AI. Okay, so Marcus complete. It's completed. I don't really want to dwell much because there's nothing to talk to. It just right now it's going to be the next lesson about the AI, which is like, I know it's boring stuff, but like I said, the idea of the channel is to doing everything from the scratch, and I don't really know much more than actually cursive course because that's the only thing I passed. So obviously need to learn more, and then at some point we are going to do some crazy stuff here. I hope so, at least. With me, it's like, you never know. I might change my mind, and like 5 months from now, it's going to be like, I don't know, doing different channel. I always had like thousands of ideas, and I just hope right now that that's the thing. Like, I'm just gonna stick with it because I genuinely I don't want to change to something else. I just want to carry on. Like, I was trying to do the gaming channel. And one gaming channel in English, one gaming channel in Polish, and then I just actually gave up. I burned out. Like, I don't really want to play games anymore. I want to project design games. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, I'm like gamer and I like the games, but it's more like an indie games, maybe like 5 minutes, something to play. But honest with you, I didn't really play anything since the last season of Diablo 4, and probably gonna jump for the new expansion of Diablo 4. So I'm probably gonna. I might do the video even here, like if I'm going to play. I'm probably going to play, but we'll see about that. Anyway, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.